Hello my beautiful friends and welcome! Today we are going to be talking about this set that I picked up recently from Tarte. But before I get into this, I just want to vent a little bit. Tarte seems to be the only one where you can get some things at Ulta, some things at Sephora, and then a few at both. So over this past Christmas, I got this mermaid skin, hyaluronic acid, plus a bunch of other stuff. I got a small size and I really liked it, and so I wanted the big one, and I wanted to use my Ulta points to buy it, but it was only available at Sephora. Similarly, there's a new line at Ulta called Sugar Rush, which, if I remember correctly, was the video game in the Wreck-It Ralph movie, and the line really looked like it's being aimed at 12-year-olds. Okay, having said that, I was intrigued by the lip oil, and so I picked it up at Ulta, and again, it's not available at Sephora. So, all right, some things Ulta, some things Sephora. This set is 6 eyeshadows and a deluxe trial size of their Lights Camera Lashes mascara. And that is a mascara actually I own. I really like it. I don't hear anybody talking about it, especially not on YouTube. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm wearing it. I find it to be very long lasting, gives me nice volume, nice length, without being too over the top. So that's a good deal in there. And then this eyeshadow palette. Now the box says that it is a $66 retail value. I don't buy that. But $22 for both of these I thought was a good deal. And it shows up in a cute cocktail glass. And there are 2 mattes, 3 mattes, and 3 shimmers. And I am going to go ahead and swatch those for you. Okay. All right, so that top one is really light. That one is called Fresh Squeezed. The middle one is On the Rocks, and the bottom one is Island Time. And I like those colors. So let's swatch the last 3 now. So this is Pool Boy. That one is Shaken Not Stirred. Ooh, and the last one down there at the bottom. Sorry, I did it again. Let me do that again. Here we go. This one is the last one, and it's called Lazy Days. So, as has been my experience with most Tarte eyeshadows, these go on nicely. I think they're going to apply well. So, let's see how I got this look. I have my face primed, and I've done foundation and concealer and put my brows on. So let's start the eye look. I am going to go in to On the Rocks with a Luxie 229 tapered blending brush. Get some on. There's a fair amount of kick up in the pan. Dust that off. And I'm just doing the back and forth in my crease and a little higher. I've mentioned before, my eyes are a little bit on the smaller side, and so I actually go up and get the bone. If I don't, none of this will show when my eyes are open. And I am liking how this is going on and blending in. It's quite nice. Next, I am taking a MAC 221, and I am going into Pool Boy. And I'm just going to put this up on the bone, about the arrow to the third, and pull it down to the lash line, making that 7. And I'll do the same on the other side. All right, I am going to take a Morphe M504 and blend this in, smooth it out. Oh, I like how that's coming out. Now I am going to go into Shaken, Not Stirred. I'm going in with my pinky and applying that along the lash line on the movable part of my lid. All right, now I am taking a Smashbox multitasking detail brush. This came in a set last Christmas. Going into Fresh Squeezed. I'm gonna go along under my brow. This is a matte shade. And also going to hit the corner of my eyes. All right, and lastly, I am going to take another Smashbox brush. This is the Precise Brow and Liner. And I am going to go back into Pool Boy and do underneath my lower lash line. And I'm going to take a little bit of that and connect it to the 7 I did above. Okay. For tight lining today, I have another waterproof pencil by Sephora, and this is in the color Love Affair. Oh yeah, and of course I just popped my contact out. Excuse me a moment. Well, that was new and different. I have never done that before. Let's finish tight lining. Okay, I am going to go finish up my makeup, do my hair, and I'll be back. And like magic, I am done. I finished this off with Tarte's Amazonian Clay blush in Captivating and Marc Jacobs gloss in Call Me. So I hope you found this video helpful, you liked it. I would love it if you would subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified when I post every Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for joining me and have a really fantastic day.